The first thing you want to do when you get RouteStar is log in. So put in your username and password and click sign in. You're going to get a welcome to RouteStar Solutions setup page. From here, you fill out your company information, put in your address, select your industry, select what version of QuickBooks you're going to be syncing with, whether it's QuickBooks Desktop or Online. If it's QuickBooks Desktop, then you need to put the QuickBooks company path and file name into this field where it says QB company file path. The way you get that is by opening your QuickBooks and pressing F2 on the keyboard. Right here, you're going to see file information, location. All you have to do is copy this by highlighting it, holding your mouse button down and dragging it over it, right-clicking and hitting copy. Go back to RouteStar, right-click and hit paste. And press complete setup. That's going to take you to the QuickBooks dashboard. Another way to get to the QuickBooks dashboard is by clicking the QB icon on the toolbar. From here, you're going to want to download the QuickBooks connection file. You do that by pressing download connection file. And it downloads the file right here. Now the next step, it requires that you have admin password and credentials to QuickBooks, and you're going to need to be in single user mode. Open QuickBooks in single user mode as the admin, and you only have to do this one time. You're going to want to do this on the computer that you're going to allow to sync with RouteStar. So it could be your server, it could be a PC, it doesn't matter what computer it is. This computer needs to stay on because the QuickBooks program will sync on a timer every 30 minutes. So you go to File, Update Web Services. This will open the QuickBooks Web Connector. Now from here, you need to add the file that you just downloaded. So remember, I downloaded this file. It's right here in my Google Chrome. I can show in folder where it is. From here, I'm going to copy it to my desktop just to make it easier. I'm going to right click and press copy. Go click on desktop, right click and hit paste. If you know how to navigate where the downloads folder is for your browser, then you don't have to do this. Now from here, I'm going to click back into my QuickBooks Web Connector and add an application. So all you have to do is find where that file is located, which is under desktop right here. Click on it and press open. Now if you have more than one company file syncing with RouteStar, you'll get this message. If not, you will not get this message. I'm going to click no to create a duplicate application. So this is importing the file. And it's also going to pop up and want to authorize itself with your QuickBooks file. Press OK. Then click back on QuickBooks and select the user. Generally, it's the admin user that you want to sync, that has the authority to sync with QuickBooks. You can also set up an additional user called sync or something if you want. and press continue. Now that utility is going to be down on the system tray right here. So if I click on it, I will see the one I just added, which was RouteStar Solutions 3. So what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to force the initial sync. This syncs everything from RouteStar or from QuickBooks into RouteStar. Click on the check mark box here. You're going to be asked to enter the password. The default password, and this is just for the utility, it's not published anywhere, but the password is simply all lowercase, the word password, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D. Press OK. Would you like to save this? Say yes to this because you need to save it in there for future use. Now the default sync time is every 60 minutes. We recommend that you change this to 30. Don't change it below 30 because otherwise it'll be in a continuous sync cycle with your QuickBooks file and bog down your server or your PC. Once you do this, all you have to do is hit Update Selected, and it's going to update this one service. That's it.